Hi Marwa, here is your video to try to help you navigate Schoology a little bit easier. I'm actually going to view the course as you, so we'll see exactly the same things. So when you log on to Schoology, this is what you should see. You should see all of these folders and these due dates over here. At the top is important. There are announcements here, and that's where I'll be posting little bits of information such as due dates or a reminder to check your calendar, anything about school events. That's where you'll see up top at the updates. Down here are all of your folders. You'll see that they are either weeks, so week 1, week 2, or week 3, or they're modules, module 1, module 2. So for us, we're beginning week 3. So if you click on the week 3 folder, first you'll start with the calendar. So here is where you can see everything we're doing day by day. On Tuesdays and Thursdays we have Zoom meetings, so that's stuff that we'll be doing together. But Monday, Wednesday, and Friday are what you're doing by yourself at home. And then finally at the bottom you'll always see the due date, so please be referencing this periodically throughout the week to make sure that you're not missing any due dates. If you come back to week 3, the other thing that is there are our 2 Zoom links. So again, we Zoom on Tuesdays and Thursdays. What you'll do is click these links at the appropriate time. So tomorrow at 11:30, you'll just click this link and it will take you into our Zoom classroom. And the final thing under week 3 are the week 3 assignments. So just like last week, we have a no red ink assignment. If you click on this and follow the link, it will take you to an outside platform, and you'll be doing some grammar work on no red ink. And then the second one is the They Say, I Say assignments. So this is from our book, and there's a better explanation here, so be sure to watch that. But the They Say That I Say assignments are from our book. If you didn't get a chance to pick up our book during book distribution day last week, you can click right up here to the They Say, I Say PDF. When you click this link here, it'll take you straight to our book and you'll be able to do the homework. The next thing is modules. So we've done module 0, module 1, and now we're starting module 2. So if you click on the module 2 folder, you'll see first an explanation, and I think this is a really great place to start. It'll give you a little bit about what's going on, and then here I've posted another video that explains this more in depth, so please give that a look. And then second, you'll see your packet here. That's where you will access your packet and the one you'll be working on until Friday, September 4th. And then your 2 extra activities. So please make sure to watch this video in the Module 2 explanation. And the final thing that you should know about Schoology is over here, these upcoming dates. So that's where you will be able to see the due dates for assignments that are coming up. So for example, you should have done your no red ink assignment, and it's telling you that it's due Monday, that's tonight, at 11:59. Your next due date is Thursday, and then Sunday, and then next week. So another really important place to be checking. So that is the essentials to Schoology. Just about every assignment has a video like this embedded into it, so please watch those videos, and I think they will help you.